Are you struggling to grow your hair thick, long and healthy? Do you desire to fix your edges and lips? Stop started hair growth, soften your hair and stop breakage? Then consider what I'm about to share on today's video. Grab a jar, make sure it is clean. My first ingredient is sugar, the regular sugar you use in your home, and we are going to be using that in 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This exfoliates dead skin cells, remove buildup and unclogs follicles. Very good for your scalp. Let me know if you have tried sugar before. Next ingredient is coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use olive oil or almond oil. This moisturizes, fights dandruff and strengthens your roots. Use that in 2 tablespoons. The next ingredient is shampoo. I'm going to be using shampoo in 2 tablespoons. Make sure you use any shampoo you are comfortable with. It could be black soap shampoo or hydrating shampoo. This deep cleans and remove residue and refresh the scalp. Very important to add shampoo. After adding all the ingredients, mix up everything together using your spatula or spoon. Do not overmix so that the sugar doesn't dissolve, because it is the sugar that will do the bulk of the job. This is a very effective scalp scrub, so the sugar is going to help with the scrubbing. All you need to do is just to prepare your hair, get ready to cleanse your scalp, apply this on your scalp while applying. Try to work in it, massage it on your scalp to release dead skin cells. So this is very effective. If your hair is not growing, it means that your scalp might be clogged with buildup. A congested scalp can block follicles, slow growth and cause shedding. This simple recipe will clean your scalp, boost hair growth and leave it feeling brand new. Before applying this, make sure your hair is detangled and you are ready to cleanse your scalp. Apply on your scalp, working in section, and make sure you massage it in with finger or massager. This scalp scrub actually cleans my scalp, no dandruff, and my scalp feel healthy. You can use this on your baby's hair instead of adult shampoo. Just use baby's shampoo to make this for your babies like from 2 years and above. I'm not saying any babies less than 2 years. So from 2 years and above, you can use this recipe. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have it. Remember to share this video if you have anyone who is struggling with stunted hair growth. Share this video with the person, and I can't wait to have your feedback. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.